Just bought a new one, Solenoid. What this is that part right there. There was a loose nut right here, caused the thing to burn up. It's supposed to look like this. And the inside burned up. So I'm gonna replace it right now.
Purchased this on Amazon for $35.
Here's the part right here that came off. I'm gonna show you what that part goes right in here like this. It caught on fire. Well, the first thing you got to do, disconnect it. What happened, this thing right here burned. I don't have the old part. I left it at home. But I'm going to put the new terminal in, which it goes right here like this.
And this is a heavy duty terminal. And the reason why he knows that burnt out is I was raising the top deck and this little device was smoking.
Look at that, brand new. These solenoids are about $20 to $35. I paid a little extra because I had them same day delivery.
No, you have Prime. You just got a better one.
Anyway, you want to pay a little extra so you could get the same day delivery. That sounds a little better. Okay.
They had several. Amazon had several. The one that was cheaper, it was going to take 2 weeks to arrive. He went with the more expensive one that just so happened to be arriving the same day.
I'll take this off. I brought all the tools except the ratchet. Drop that in there like that. What you want to do, you want to snug it. Because this thing is made to move up and down. Snug it. Just like that. I think we're going to use these. Yeah. They're brand new. This one is for the terminal. This one, I think I'm going to put a washer.
He forgot the ratchet, so he's going to have to use a crescent wrench.
Yeah. I'm not going to tighten these up yet until I put the bottom screws in first. And you do the final adjustments. You got to move this around. Okay. I think the hardest one is going to be the one in the back. It's working. Okay. You don't want to tie in the back yet until you tighten these up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one up. Wish I had a socket. Okay, right. Start doing to make sure this one's flat. That's why you want to keep these loose, so you can make the final adjustment over here. So you can move it forward or back. Okay. All right. Okay, once you tighten this one, and then you could tighten this one up. Well, you could get the back one first. That way you know when you move it around it's tight. Right now it's loose. All right. It's tight. See, now the front. Okay. Okay. Now I got to run this in here. That's why they gave me these right here. They're big. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is it was either use this one was too short, this one's long, and I don't think this one will have any issues burning up like the other one. And now we are going to put this in. Run some washers. I think that should be okay. All right, see if it starts, if it lights up, lit up. Yeah, thank God. So this part right here, the positive burn right here, maybe from having a loose terminal. I might be able to fix this. I don't know. JB weld it.
I say it's trash.
So I'm gonna keep it for memories. All right, guys, we are heading out to Odessa.
You didn't use this product.
Okay, that's for the connections. You put that in that. Let's get going. Why do they make cars like this? Seriously. Oh my God. I will not buy any cars like this. Okay, just do the inspection, and yeah, this was at the Tommy lot. Yeah. So it's not bad. We're having a good day today. So by putting two nuts right here, because I just fixed this. I fixed this morning, drove for about 30 minutes, and it's loose again. I'm thinking this thing goes up and down, causes that little nut to loosen up, but if I double up on the nut, I should be okay. Okay. That's it. Let's get rolling.